Tibumana Waterfall is a beautiful hidden paradise, and it is definitely one Bali best kept secret. When you get closer to Tibumana Waterfall, you will notice endless rice field and palm trees. Tibumana Waterfall, located at Abuan Susut Bangli. If you from Denpasar or Ubud, only 30 minutes by motorcycle, and from Kuta only 1 hour by motorcycle. Look this video, you will find palm trees and rice field. Tibumana Waterfall, entrance fee $10,000. Hai teman-teman, aku lagi ada di Tibumana Waterfall, tepatnya di Bangli. Tibumana Waterfall is a true hidden gem and definitely highly recommended for those who want to enjoy beautiful scenery, cool breeze, atmosphere, peace, and tranquility. Tibumana derived from the word Tibu, which means a deep riverbed or flankful. This can be spotted from the extensively deep flankful of waterfall. The cliffs surrounding the waterfall are overgrown with greenery and moss, which enhance the splendor of Tibumana Waterfall. Enjoy your watching this video. Jatuh.